Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Ajay and today we are going to take the question from the board question paper that is of 2018, and the question is question 3b. Question 3b says that we have to write a definition, that is a function. Name of the function will be zero ending, that's the name of the function, and it is going to take one parameter. So there is a parameter, name of the parameter is score, to add all those values in the list of scores. So basically scores is a list and there will be numbers in the list. So we are supposed to add all those numbers in the list which are ending with 0 and display the sum. So for example, if score, which is a list, has these numbers, so that is 200, 456 and so on. So we are supposed to add only those numbers which are ending with 0. So this we are going to add 200 plus 300 and 100 because these are the only three numbers that are ending with 0, isn't it? So how we are going to do this? Let's start to implement this particular program. So this is already, I've typed a bit of code. This is the question. So there is a definition that is zero ending and there is a parameter that is scores. Okay, so scores is going to be a list. So I will just over here, before I do the actual implementation of the program, let us just begin the main program, and in the main program we will have the same list. Now name of the list was scores, and what I will do is I'll just copy the same list and I will paste it. So this is the list, and then we will call to the function that is zero ending, that is zero ending, and then I will pass the list. That is an argument which will be received by this parameter. Okay, and then we will do the list traverser, which means we'll be accessing, we'll be going through each element of the list. So I will simply use the loop, that is the for loop, for I in and scores. Let us have one variable with the name sum is equal to 0, and now comes the main part, that how exactly we are going to check which number ends with 0. So simple, we are supposed to only divide the number with 10 and check the remainder. So if you have to check the remainder, we are going to use the mod operator, and that is this. That's the mod operator, and I will check if it is 0. So any number, if I divide by 0 and the remainder is 0, which means that number is ending with the value that is 0. Okay, and simply I will use the sum and sum plus I. That's it. And let us just return this value, that is sum, to the main program. So let us collect this over here, and this is sum is equal to zero ending, and then I will print the message in the main program that the sum is sum. That's it. Okay, so let us run and let us see whether we get the exact output, because this is the exact list that was there in the question paper. Okay, so as per the question paper, the output should be 600. Let us just check this. Let us run this program. Let us save this, and now here comes the output, and the output says that the sum is 600, which is a perfect output. So let us add some more numbers, that is 10 and maybe 90, 550. Okay, so now let us run this program and check the output. So it says 1250. So 1250 is the sum. So this is 600 till here, that is 200 plus 300 and 100, that is 600, 610, and that is 610, that's 700, and 7 plus 5, So that is 12 plus and 50, that is 1250. That's the perfect output that we got. So this was one of the easiest program. Let me just check the marks that we had for this particular question, and it says 3 marks. That's, it's very easy for the marks that you're getting for this particular question. Hope we get such questions in the future also for the upcoming exams. Okay, so that's it for today. If you feel that you have achieved something from my tutorial, from my video, do subscribe to my channel. Bye for now.